Now we will be exploring each of the tabs mentioned in the above menu in the header one by one. So let's start with the Contacts tab. We click on the Contacts tab and the drop-down menu shows us a couple of options. Let's navigate to the Contacts first. The contacts are a backbone of any CRM. This is the database of people who categorize as your customers or your prospects that you want to proceed with further marketing or sales activities. Let's say if you want to keep track of their activities or send them emails and make them calls and log tasks around them, so you can manage them only if they are existent within the HubSpot database. So this Contacts tab creates and maintains all the database of those people. Now we just created a CRM, so you can see that 2 of the HubSpot people are already existing as contacts within this database, and it has and each contact has a certain set of properties registered against their name. You can see a name, then you can see an email address, the phone numbers if they have any. A contact owner is basically the one who is creating the contact. For instance, currently I am Ayesha Kayani and I am creating any contact, so they would be automatically assigned to me. Here, as of now, since they were HubSpot, so they have been unassigned. We can choose to delete these contacts, or you can keep them in here. Then you have primary company or any of the other fields that we have here. Now it is also important to mention that HubSpot also maintains a create date of this contact as well. And so now we have these only 2 contacts available. Let's say we want to create our own. So we will hit the Create Contact tab and it pops up a sidebar menu from the right side. Here I will be entering, let's say I want to create a contact here, and I will be creating a dummy contact for explanation purposes. And we say one of my favorite heroes, let's say Tom Hanks, @hanks.com. Do not try to follow this. This is only for the explanation purposes. So we have Tom Hanks, and you can already see the contact owner is Ayesha. And then we can create other, if you have any other titles or any properties available, you can specify those. Then there is a lead lifecycle stage here. For now, we will keep it as a lead. And the stage is, let's say we are in creating a new contact, so this is a new lead. Once we have done this and configured some of this fields for our new contact, we will hit the create button. But if you want to add more, you can create and add another. For now, we will just go with the create. Now we'll be seeing a 3rd contact within this database. That is the recent contact that we have just created now, which would be appearing any minute. So you can see this. These are all the contact properties that have been listed here. So our Contacts tab has now fully loaded, and it shows me the dashboard of my recently created contact. And you can see this is some of the information that I entered while creating the contact. There's an overviews panel in the center, and then we have an activities panel as well. And you can see any companies or payments and tickets or other attachments. So within this section on the left side, we can see that if you want to create or add a note for the specific contact, you can click on the note button and add, let's say you've been gathering some of the sales point, or you found a new information about the contact that we want to add up so you don't forget it. So you can add this. Let's say we can add it, and then just that will be associated with that record. Other than that, we will be calling on the other of the features that you could use in the later steps. And so within the overview tab, you will be seeing the list of all the communications or any emails that you've sent out to the contact, or any companies or deals that will be associated with him.